Double-layer foam replacement seat. Fits most summit climbers and other commercially available stands. Seat height is adjustable for sitting higher in the frame for bow hunting or lower for rifle hunting. Summit Universal Tree Stand Seat is a removable seat to replace the foam seat that originally came with the Summit Treestands. The universal seat has 4 rubber-coated quick change buckles. This seat fits most Summit Treestand models: Viper, all models; Razor, Cobra, all models; Bushmaster, Python, Revolution, Brodhead and Titan. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement for old worn seat. Imagine yourself in this scenario. After finding that perfect camouflaged spot to place your tree stand, you climb up the ladder as slowly and quietly as you possibly can to not be spotted or heard by that beautiful buck you have been tracking. You get to the top of the stand, slowly go to sit down, and all of the sudden, snap. Your seat snaps and you feel like your whole life has flashed before your eyes and now the whole forest knows you are there. This seat was the perfect replacement to my old worn snapped seat, and it was the perfect universal fit to my older stand. The camouflage pattern is excellent and the seat feels sturdy and comfortable. I would recommend this seat replacement to anyone who is looking to comfortably and safely sit out on a tree stand.